Hello students, in our previous class we have discussed the chapter heat, isn't it? And we have seen how the hotness of an object can be determined. So we don't have any we cannot rely only on the senses of our body. Only by touching we cannot say that how much is the object hot or it is cold, isn't it? So we have seen that we need some reliable measurement to understand how much the object is hot or how much the object is cold, isn't it? So the the term temperature tells us that how much the object is hot or cold, means a reliable measurement to know how much the object is hot or cold is called as its temperature. So students, how to measure this temperature? That is, we are going to study in our today's class. So we have a equipment called thermometer. Have you seen thermometer? So if you have thermometer at your home, then while observing this class, you can take this thermometer in your hand and whatever I explain, you can go through it by observing the thermometer which is at your home. So students, thermometer is nothing but an equipment to measure the temperature. Means we have two kinds of thermometer. One is clinical thermometer and the other one is laboratory thermometer. So now we are going to study about clinical thermometer, means how to measure temperature using clinical thermometer. So what is a clinical thermometer? A thermometer which is used to measure the human temperature. The temperature of human body is known as what? Clinical thermometer. So what is a clinical thermometer? A thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of a human body is known as its clinical thermometer. Okay, so we have so many kinds of thermometers. Nowadays we use digital thermometer, isn't it? Now you have also heard about the disease that is COVID-19, isn't it? So nowadays everywhere they have some kind of machine which will detect the temperature of a human body. So that is the modern kind of thermometer which will help to detect the temperature of a human body only by screening the person. If you have visited any of the big showroom, then they have that screener through which they have that kind of thermometer through which they can measure your temperature by only screening on your head. So what do? They just keep that machine near to your forehead, and they just note down whatever temperature is getting by screening your forehead, isn't it? So that is some new kind of thermometer. So students, first we are going to learn that how to measure the temperature and how to read the thermometer and what is the actual design of the thermometer. So I will take you to so here I have two kinds of thermometer. Here I have this is a thermometer who is having the scale on it, and it is having the mercury bulb inside, and this is a thermometer which I have is a digital thermometer. Here see, I have this digital thermometer. Here there is the absence of mercury because mercury is a very complicated metal. It is very harmful for the small kids. Even to handle mercury made thermometer is very difficult. So nowadays everywhere everybody is using such kind of thermometers. So students, let us learn how to read the thermometer.